Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn the latest and easiest method to transfer videos from our MacBook to our iPhone using a cable properly. If you've tried using AirDrop or iCloud and run into connection issues or long upload times, this wired method is perfect because it's fast, reliable, and works even with large video files. First, we want to make sure that our MacBook is updated to the latest macOS version and that our iPhone is on the newest iOS. Next, we connect our iPhone to the MacBook using an original Lightning or USB-C cable depending on our model. Once connected, we should see a pop-up on our iPhone that says Trust this computer. We tap Trust and enter our passcode. Then we open the Finder window on our Mac if we're using macOS Catalina or newer, or iTunes if we're on older versions. From here, we select our iPhone from the sidebar and click on the Files tab. This section allows us to drag and drop videos directly from our MacBook folders into compatible apps on our iPhone such as VLC, Infuse, or even the TV app. If we want our videos to appear in the Photos app, we open the Photos app on our Mac, go to File, and go to Import, and select the files we want. Then sync them to our iPhone using Finder under the Photos section. We check Sync Photos and choose the correct folder. After syncing, the video should appear directly in our iPhone's Photos library. This method is much faster than cloud-based transfers and doesn't compress our video quality. This has been how to really be smart and simple and scam-free.